Good morning, kids. Now we will discuss our English subject, Quarter 2, Module 1, Parts of a Book for Grade 2. Let's start. Let us learn. Great day to you, dear learner. In this module, you will learn the dynamically colorful examples and meanings of the English language, particularly the common terms in English. You may be able to use the common terms in oral, conversations, and even in written outputs. May you find significant learning experiences and joy from this module. Let's start the fun and learning now. After going through this module, you are expected to, number 1, identify the common terms in English relating to part of a book. Number 2, name the different parts of a book. And number 3, locate and describe parts of a book. Let us try. Directions. Identify the parts of the book being described. Write your answers on the space provided before each number. Number 1, it is the body of the book. Number 2, it shows the titles of selections, lessons, and units. Number 3, a list of topics arranged alphabetically and is found at the end of the book. Number 4, it is the heart of the book. And number 5, it is where the words are arranged in alphabetical order. It is also called a brief dictionary. Let us study. Books make our mind more healthy and fit. Being able to identify the different parts of the book will help you to easily find the information you want to gather. This time, we will read a poem to help us identify each part of the book. Get a book and examine its parts too. Together, let's make fun of reading. I Love Books by Mary Joy R. Aclau. I love to read books, so I open my eyes and look. I want to explore the parts, to learn more and be smart. So here they are, and let's learn each part. First is the cover page or the cover. Next, the title page. Next, table of contents, the text or body. Again, the parts of the books are the cover, the title page, table of contents, the text or body, the glossary, the index. Does it have the same parts as your reading book? You're right. They have the same parts. Now, let us try if you can identify its parts with this quiz. Directions. Match the parts of the book with its definition. Write the letter on the blank. Table of contents, title page, glossary, index, text or body. So let's try number 1. What is the definition or the meaning of the table of contents? A. Tells words and their meanings. B. List of topics of a book arranged alphabetically. C. Shows the titles of selections, lessons, or topics. D. The main content of the book. Or E. Gives the title of the book, the authors, and the publishing company. The correct answer is letter C. Now you answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's discover parts of a book. The cover. Some books have a hard cover. Others have a paper cover. The cover of the book protects it from damage. Feel the cover of the book that you have. Is it hardbound or paperback? Look at the front cover of your book. What details do you find on it? The front cover of a book gives its title, the illustrators, and the author or authors. The title page. Look at the next page of your book. What details do you find on this page? The title page gives the title of the book, the author or authors, and the publishing company, together with its address. The table of contents. If you want to know the list of lessons or topics in your book and on which pages do you find them, what page of your book will you go? The table of contents show the titles of selections, lessons, or topics of a book. It also shows the pages on which these selections or topics are found. The text or body of a book. This part is the most important part of a book. Why is this so? What do you think would happen if the text of a book was removed? The text or body is the heart of the book. Without the text, the book would not be of any use. The index. A book may or may have not an index. Get a book with an index. Where is the index usually found? What does it contain? The index is a list of the topics of a book, arranged alphabetically. It also gives the pages where you can find topics. It is usually found at the last page of the book. The glossary. Look through the last pages of your book. Do you see pages with words and their meaning? This part is called the glossary. The words are arranged alphabetically or in alphabetical order. Not all books have glossary. Valuing. Ways to take care of books. Don't write in your book. Number 2. Don't get your book wet. Keep away from babies and pets. Keep your book in a safe place. Don't eat or drink when you're reading a book. Do you love your books? How do you take care of them? Where did you put your books after reading? Let us practice more. It's guessing time. Answer the following riddle. Name the parts of a book being described. Write your answer on the space provided before each number. So answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let us practice. Find me. Directions. Identify the following parts of a book. Label each item using the words inside the box. So you will get your answers inside the box. The title page, glossary, text or body, table of contents, cover, index. And then you write them in the box below each picture. Let's proceed. Let us remember. Complete me. Directions. Complete the following statements about what you have learned from the lesson. The cover of the book protects it from blank. The index is the blank of the topics of a book arranged alphabetically. Without the blank, the book would not be of any use. Answer now. Let us assess. Directions. Identify the parts of a book. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. So, you answer now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let us enhance. Directions. Use the table of contents and the index to answer the questions below. Number 1. In which unit would you look if you want to read people's face? What unit? Answer now. Number 2. On what page would you read about the fable? You answer. Okay, then you answer number 3, 4, and 5. Let us reflect. Books make our mind healthier and fit. Being able to identify the best parts of a book will help you to easily find the information you want to get or to gather. A book is like a best friend who will never walk away from you. Keep on reading. Goodbye, children. Thank you for watching.